In this question, we are given a figure in which we have to find the area of the region PQRST, and we are given that the length of PQ equals 6 and RT is equal to 10. We also know from the figure that triangle QRT is a right angle triangle. Triangle SRT is also a right angle triangle. Now, to find the area of the given region, we should know the length and breadth of the triangle and the sides of P, Q and T to find the area of the triangle. Let's move on to step and analyze the statement 1. According to statement 1, PQ is equal to RS. This means that the value of RS is equal to 6. Now, if I redraw a part of the diagram with the triangle R, S and T, where the value of RT is 10 and RS is 6, we know we can find the value of ST using the Pythagoras theorem, which will be equal to root over of 10 squared minus 6 squared, which gives us root over of 100 minus 36, which equals root over of 64, which is 8. So, the length of ST is 8. This means we can find the area of QRST, which will be equal to 8 times 6, which is 48. But we don't have any information about the lengths of PT and QT. So statement 1 is not sufficient, and out of the given options, we eliminate options A and D. We now check the sufficiency of statement 2. In statement 2, we are given that the value of PT is equal to the value of QT. Now, if I redraw the diagram again with the triangle P, Q and T, we know that the value of PT is equal to QT and PQ is equal to 6. But it is also possible that PT and QT are also equal to 6. So there are two possibilities, that PQT might be an equilateral triangle, or another possibility is that PQT can be an isosceles triangle. Since we are not sure and thus we cannot find the area of the triangle or of the figure QRST, we conclude that the statement 2 is also not sufficient, and we move on to the last step, which is step 3, and analyze the statements together. So, from statement 1, we have that the length of RS, which is equal to PQ, is equal to 6, and the length of PT is equal to QT. Now, if I write down the length of the sides, we have ST to be equal to 8, RS to be equal to 6. Then, since QT is equal to RS, the value of QT will also be equal to 6. And using the statement 2, the value of PT will be equal to the value of QT. Hence, PT will also be equal to 6. Therefore, we can find the area of PQRST, which will be equal to 6 times 8 plus root 3 by 4 times 6 square, since the area of an equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4 a squared. Now, we don't have to find the value because this is a DS question. We just have to know that the statements together are sufficient. Hence, the correct answer is option C.